was too large for the shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. It was taller by far than the old man himself, though it weighed not a single pound more. It was bought on the morn of the day that he was born, and was always his treasure and pride. But it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died. The old clock looked down on the first step he took as he left my great-grandmother's arms. It watched over him when he read his first book, and he saw his first love and her charm. Through his laughter and tears, it kept pulling off the years, and its proud voice was heard far and wide. But it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died. In watching its pendulum swing to and fro, many hours had he watched as a boy, while the clock ticked along, never fast, never slow, till one day it ran wild in its joy. For it struck 24 when he entered at the door with the blushing and beautiful bride. But it stopped short, never to go again